Hello, dear children. Some days back, I had sent some Malayalam videos of the fifth problem of exercise 11.4 in trigonometry. Okay, those who have not followed, because some of you may not follow in Malayalam, so in that case, you can just see here in these videos of that fifth sum. Okay, children. So this is the next video. So video 14 or something like that. Okay, so video 14. Now I'm doing the fifth problem, that is exercise 11.4. Exercise 11.4. Those who have not followed Malayalam. Okay, now the very first sum is you have to prove the identities here. So you have to prove the identities means you have to prove LHS. If you work out now, then you should get the answer of RHS. Or if you start from RHS, you should get the LHS answer. But there are some problems here which you have to work out both LHS as well as RHS and then get one answer for both. So such a problem also will be there. Such problems will be there. About one or two might be there. So let's see. So the very first sum, cosec theta minus cot theta the whole squared is equal to, you have to prove that it is 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So this is your right hand side and this is your LHS, left hand side. So I will take the left hand side now, but I am going to tell you one something which you have to remember. The thing is, see, cosec theta, cot theta, tan theta, all these, you have to write it in the form of sin theta cos theta. So sin theta cos theta, you have in that form you have to write means, see now for example, LHS if I take, then it will be cosec theta minus cot theta the whole square they have given. Now what I'll do here is cosec theta I will write it as 1 by sin theta. So I have got it in the form of sin theta now. Sin and cos theta we have to get. Now cot theta is, it is cos theta by sin theta, the whole squared, of course. So I have changed this cosec theta in the form of sin theta. Cot theta I can write it as cos theta by sin theta. Now what we should do? Take the LCM. So LCM, So in your Malayalam video they have taken just cross multiply like this. It is the way of telling in different ways, that's all. Now I tell like this. Take the LCM, I say. So sin theta, same answer you get. Whatever she has done, the same answer even I will be getting it. Now since you are well versed in taking LCM, I am telling you in that way. So sin theta will cancel here and you get here 1. 1 minus sin theta, here it will cancel. Here also it will cancel. So it will be 1 minus cos theta the whole squared. Now this is equal to, see what I'll write, you will get only out of practice all these things. Okay, we got, now 1 minus cos theta the whole squared I will write as it is, so that I should always see the RHS also. See, 1 minus cos theta, some term is there in RHS there. So we should try to get that. Always we should have in our mind what we should get in RHS. So 1 minus cos theta the whole squared by sin squared theta it will be. See, it is squared, no? So 1 minus cos theta the whole squared by sin squared theta. I have just written the squares. But now what is this equal to? I will leave 1 minus cos theta the whole square as it is. But sin squared theta, you know that in one identity, the first identity, sin squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. You have learnt. Now therefore, there in that only you can write like this. Sin squared theta is equal to 1 minus cos squared theta. You can write like that. And that 1 minus cos squared theta, according to algebraic formula, a squared minus b squared, you can write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. You can write like that, a minus b into a plus b. So we are using that here. So I will write here sin squared theta. I have written here how this one, how you got and all. So 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta, I shall write here now. Now next what happens is 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta will cancel from here. So 2 will be, you can write now 1. From squared 1 minus cos theta we have cancelled. So what is left over now? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. See, this is our RHS. Now these the problems which are given in the fifth sum, there are about 10 sums. So these sums, you know, any problem can be asked for 3 marks or 4 marks. It can come in 2 marks also, can't say. So so you must be ready with these 10 sums. You have to practice and learn it properly. So they may select from here only. Okay. Now the second sum I shall take. So what we should do, the main important thing what you should remember here in identity problems, whichever now cosec theta, tan theta, tan theta, cot theta, the other sec theta, cosec, all these, you know, you have to change them to sin theta, cos theta. And you can change because they are all related. They are all related. Now second sum I am going to take here now, cos A by 1 plus sin A. Then plus 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A by cos A. This is equal to 2 sec A. This is quite an important sum we can say because it has come in public exam 2-3 times. So again there are fractions here in the LHS. I am going to simplify LHS and bring it to the answer of the RHS. So again we have fractions here, means what we should do? We should take the LCM. So now 1 plus sin A is one term, cos A is another term. In these two terms both are uncommon. So uncommon means if this is here, that is not there here. Cos A is here but it is not this side. So both are uncommon, that is the meaning. So if they are uncommon, for LCM we have to take both. So 1 plus sin A, then cos A I can write it here also. This side also I can write it. Okay children, I hope you are following. And then now I have taken the LCM. So 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A, that will cancel each other. And this cos A will get multiplied with this cos A at the top. So you get there cos squared A plus cos A will cancel here and you get 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A it is, so squared. So cos A cancels, so 1 plus sin A will be left over there and that will get multiplied by 1 plus sin A, and that's why it becomes 1 plus sin A the whole squared. Okay, now don't touch the right hand side at all. Final step we should get. Now what we'll do is we'll open this still further. So cos squared A, see, plus I am going to open this because it is again our algebra formula, 1 plus sin A the whole squared. So 1 squared is 1 plus sin A the whole squared is sin squared A plus 2 sin A squared plus B squared plus 2AB I have written. By our LCM you should not leave. So cos A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll go to the next page and then continue it. So what will happen? I have got now, I'll just write that step here. Cos squared A plus 1 plus sin squared A plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. What's the time? Okay. Now see what happens is you have to learn. When we tell you here, you should learn some things, and even during practice you have to remember them. Now, cos squared A plus sin squared A, I'll just mark like this. Cos squared A plus sin squared A, or sin squared A plus cos squared A, just now we have remembered it is equal to 1. So I will write that as 1 plus 1 again I have got here, I have circled it, you see. So 1 plus 2 sin A by cos A into 1 plus sin A. Now this is equal to 2 plus 2 sin A, okay, by cos A into 1 plus sin A. As you go on simplifying, you will get the answer. So this is equal to 2 is common here now. So remove that 2 common. 2, 1 plus, what will, if you remove 2 common both sides, what will happen? So 2 plus 2 sin A. So when you remove, you will get 1 plus sin A inside the bracket. By cos A into 1 plus sin A. We have got here now. And now in the numerator as well as denominator, you have 1 plus sin A, 1 plus sin A. Just cancel it. So finally you get here 2 by cos A, which can be written as, see, 2 into 1 by cos A. It is, the meaning is 2 by cos A means it is 2 into 1 by cos A. Now what is this 1 by cos A? It is nothing but sec A. So this is equal to 2 sec A. And this is our RHS. Followed, children? So I have done in the previous this one, everything I have, you can just see it once again and see the LCM what we took there. Both are uncommon, that's why we took that. And then we went on simplifying, and in the next page, and finally we have got the answer 2 sec A. Okay, so it's quite easy, but only thing is some things you have to remember there. Now we shall do the next one, third one. Third. These are quite important sums. If you do only as we teach you, if you do it once again at home, you will understand it clearly. Very interesting it is. Now plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. This is our LHS. It is equal to, you have to prove, 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. So we have to work out the LHS and get the RHS. So tan theta, I told you just now, let us write it as sin theta by cos theta. I am taking the LHS. Okay. So what happens? Sin theta by cos theta by, nicely you have to write, it should be very clear. 1 minus cot theta means cot theta by sin theta, plus cot theta means, again I will write it as cos theta by sin theta, by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, now next what I'll do is I have to simplify the denominator because there is a fraction there. So 1 by 1 I shall put. Here also I will put 1 by 1. I will work out the numerator, I will keep as it is. Denominator I will just get it simplified. So again what I will do is I will take the LCM for the denominator. So sin theta, you have to be a bit clear. This one here, you should understand it with concentration. Now sin theta, I have taken the LCM. There only I am doing it. So sin theta means, again I will get here top also I will get sin theta. Why? Because this does not cancel. So sin theta into 1 is sin theta. Minus sin theta will cancel here. I have to write here cos. So sin theta will cancel. So I get here cos theta. So I have got here like this. Here also I am going to take this one LCM cos theta. So I will get here cos theta minus sin theta. See, as we go on working out, you will only understand it very well. Okay. So now I am going to continue it here. So it's all right. See. So what I have got here is, I will continue. So what happens is, I have written like this now. sin theta by cos theta by, I have got a fraction there now. By working out, I have, in the previous step, I got like this. Sin theta by cos theta. I have got like this now. Don't see the top for this. It is nothing. Now, plus, here you get cos theta by sin theta by, I have got, by simplifying, cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. Now what happens is, say, here sin theta by cos theta, 1 minus, by working out there, sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta, I will get by sin theta. This is sin theta. Here I have got working out cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta I have got. Now what I'll do is, I'll take this sin theta to the top, because in arithmetic you have learnt that when there is another fraction here, what will happen? So sin theta by cos theta into sin theta by, this will come down now. It will come down, sin theta minus cos theta. I'll continue this in the next video. Just continuing it in the next video. I'll stop this. Okay.